Get excited about the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice. Like heated seats, leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, skid plates, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.